Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to mute camera clicking sound without using any third-party apps in Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the camera application. So whenever we click on this camera shutter button, so you can hear the camera clicking sound, right? So here I will show you two methods how you can mute this camera clicking sound. So the first method is using the camera app settings. Just open the respective camera app on your respective Android smartphone and just click on the camera app settings and start searching for mute camera shutter sound or camera clicking sound. So in my case, this camera app does not have a option inside this settings option. So in some camera application you might get this option, and if you don't have this option inside your camera settings, then what you can do is just open the phone settings or the settings and just click on the sounds and vibrations options and just select this mute option. Now you can minimize it. Now let us reopen the camera application and let me try to press this camera shutter button. Now you can see we don't have any more camera clicking sound. So by using these two methods, you can easily mute camera clicking sound without using any third-party apps in Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.